Hello. We are outside of Southwest Atlanta. You're not even on this side. Yeah.
This side. Southwest High, not middle.
Southwest High.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a policeman. And one of our APs. Oh, that guy's so fine right there. That one with the red burgundy.
No, he's not. Ew. You like those mangueras, guys?
Yeah. Well, we decided to make another video
because we're waiting. And there's nothing else to do when you wait.
What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for Coach to pick me up so I can go to practice.
Where are you supposed to meet him?
Right here. Oh. Well, actually over there. But no one's over here yet, so I'm just going to wait here until I have friends. Which might take a while.
You like it?
I love it. Yes.
Well, we haven't even made an introductory video, so we'll stop this one and make another one. Okay, audience, see you soon.